Thanks for clicking on the video. I appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit the alert bell. Like and share the video. Would appreciate that. It doesn't cost anything. These are color changing Air Force Ones. What makes this unique is that it'll be one color indoors, another color in the sun, and then if you put a black light on it, you actually get a third color out of it that'll be completely different. So all three colors are in fact different. All right, let's start prepping the shoe and get to work. All right, so we're gonna go outside and see what the color change is and if it actually works. My only issue with the paint is that it's super thin. It's like watery. When I contacted the seller, not only was this advertising something that you can use for airbrush, but the seller also told me that I can use a regular paint brush with this. It's so thin that I didn't get the boldness and the coverage that I thought I was gonna get with this. So just to let you guys know in a future video when I do try it again, I'm gonna add something to that paint to kind of thicken it and hope that doesn't mess with the pigment transformation. Let's lace the sneaker up, take them outside, and see what we got. So as you can see, the color does change on the sneaker, which I'm happy about. Before we get into the final shots, I will say I apologize. I should have got footage of these sneakers before I delivered them. I should have got that footage with them with the black light so you can see the third variation. Maybe in the future I'll get a chance to do so and just, I guess, upload it as a short. Either way, you guys get in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. Let's get into some of the final shots. You're going to see what the sneaker looked like before we painted it. You're going to see what it looks like indoor, and you're going to see what it looks like outdoor. All right? Again, thank you all for your support. Greatly appreciate it. See you on the next video.